In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized worksheets using Microsoft Word. If you're a teacher, a student, or just someone who loves to organize information, this guide is perfect for you. We'll go through the steps to construct a mathematical fraction worksheet, offering a handy way to practice or teach math concepts. To kick things off, let's open up your Microsoft Word. This powerful tool offers so much more than just word processing. Whether you're new or a seasoned Word user, this feature will come in handy for educational purposes. Once you've got Word open, head over to the Insert tab. This is where your journey begins to create the worksheet. Next, to start making worksheets, we'll focus on a mathematical fraction worksheet for this demonstration. Begin by inserting a table. You have the flexibility to choose how many columns and rows you'll need. Consider what your worksheet will contain and plan accordingly. If you're creating simple fraction exercises, you might opt for a few columns with several rows to fit multiple problems on one page. Once you've set up your table, it's time to populate it with your desired content, in our case, mathematical fractions. Now, after you've added fraction problems to the table, you'll want to ensure the layout is clean and organized. This is where aligning the table to the right of the page can help, providing a neat and structured look. Additionally, for clarity, you might choose to underline the bottom of each fraction. Doing so will provide a clear distinction between the numerator and the denominator, making it easier for anyone using the worksheet to understand the information at a glance. The next step is to enhance the visual appeal of your worksheet by cleaning up unnecessary borders. You'll want to select the entire table and navigate to the Table Design tab at the top of your screen. Within the Borders section, choose No Border. This option will remove any default borders around your table, giving your worksheet a polished and professional appearance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've just completed creating a mathematical worksheet tailored to your needs. Remember that Microsoft Word is versatile, so feel free to explore and adjust these techniques to suit different types of educational content beyond math. Whether it's language exercises, science data tables, or any other subject, the possibilities are endless. This method not only saves time, but also allows for a high level of customization that pre-made worksheets may lack. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!